Let's be honest, we've probably scrolled more than one time and for multiple hours over and over again. It's such a big problem, but the times that I actually don't scroll, the rare times that happen, it feels so amazing. The times where I spend so many hours not scrolling, it makes my day so entertaining that even scrolling itself is more boring than what I'm doing in my life that day. Because I believe it's a lot easier if you just make your own life a lot more interesting, fun, exciting than trying a bunch of tactics to try to stop yourself from scrolling when if you just thought that your life was more fun, more entertaining, you can rely on it more than scrolling to pass by an hour, a minute of your life, then I think that would be the perfect bulletproof solution that will actually get you and which helped me a lot personally to stop scrolling. Dang, this one's crazy. So the first thing which made me feel like that was using what I had to my advantage. Now, it sounds a lot easier said than done, but this is exactly how I've been doing it. So the main example of using what I have to my advantage is school. I think a lot of people think that school is boring. It's so much time wasted, but I don't feel like that. Yes, I like the weekends and off days, but I actually look forward to going to school because of all the things that I'm able to do there. Instead of just scrolling and trying to pass through the day, I actually try to make it fun and interesting. I really like to talk with people that are at school, talk with the teachers, raise my hand in class. All of those things make school a lot more engaging and interesting. The best days of school that I've had was when I was talking all the time. Even the most boring classes, the most boring days turned into great, memorable days because I was able to talk to people and I didn't have to scroll on my phone. And this isn't just for school. If you can apply the same mindset that I have towards school, towards anything else, it'll make whatever you have being used to the best of your ability. I also like to move around in class, go to the bathroom, even if I don't have to, just so I can walk around. Because you do these two things, you're able to make more friends, talk with more people, try out clubs and sports. And those things alone take up more time that I don't have to spend on scrolling. They're more interesting and they're more fun, anyways. Because I'm able to be more confident and be myself more, that alone also makes school a lot more fun, just being myself. So I'd rather have fun doing that than just scrolling all the time. It's so sad how you could just spend your whole day on your phone and instead there's hundreds of people that you can talk to. There's so many things you can try out. There's so many things you can do when you go outside. There's so many things you can do at home and just besides scrolling. Now that you understand this, the next thing that helps me so much is setting plans. Setting plans allows me to get a lot more done, have a lot more fun, be a lot more entertained, and like my life a lot more because I'm doing stuff when I'm not sure what to do. I just look at my notebook, I look at the ideas that I have on my phone that I thought of throughout the day, and I do them. So right now, if there's any ideas that you have that you thought about, oh, maybe I can do this, oh, maybe I can try this thing, write them down so you remember to do them. Because doing any little small idea, big or small, it's better than scrolling on your phone and forgetting that day even existed. Also, a great part of the planning process is having goals, having things that you can genuinely work on, and it feels so great and productive when you do those things. So for me, examples, it can be playing the piano. I recently performed at a little talent show thing at my school. It was really fun. And I wanted maybe do it again or just learn more piano. So that's something I can work on. I can also work on this channel, talking to you right now. If you like the video so far, it'll mean a lot if you consider subscribing. It's free. I can also work on sports because I'm doing those in school too. I can go out with my friends and play lacrosse, play soccer. I had a job over the summer. It was really fun. I learned a lot from it. I made some money from it. I feel like that was the thing which made me scroll a lot because I didn't really have something that I was working to. I was just kind of going through life, waddling and bobbling around. And I didn't have any clear thing or purpose that I wanted to do. And that's why it felt like every day was kind of boring, kind of dull, and I just scrolled on my phone because I didn't know what to do. But when I realized I knew what I wanted to do, I wanted to make more videos for you. I wanted to play the piano because it's fun. I wanted to play more sports because it's also fun. I could be with people. I can get more active. Having those visions gave me a vision on what I can do when I'm bored instead of scrolling. Because a lot of the time I was bored, but I knew I didn't want to scroll. And that would just make me think of what can I do? So the next time you're bored, you're not sure what to do, don't just let yourself not think of what to do and just go on your phone. Actually try to think about it for a minute and see what you can really do. Even if you have no plans, don't just think about what you can do for 10 minutes and be like, oh, I didn't think of anything. I literally sit for tens and tens and tens of minutes just thinking of what I can do tomorrow because I know if I have something to do that's good, productive, help me with my goals, I'll get a lot further and I won't have to scroll and my day would be a lot more productive, fun, interesting, amazing, great. If that sounds like a great life to live, then be serious about it. Genuinely think deep about this. Imagine all the time that you could save not having to be on your phone. Seriously. Seriously. Think about it. Just think of all the time that you could actually spend doing other stuff, playing the piano, starting some little side income business thing, anything. There's so many opportunities. Just do something. Try something out. That's what I did, and it really helped me a lot. I hope you can do this too. We know how distracting it could be, how time consuming scrolling and being on your phone is. I know it's kind of funny, like how parents say it's because of that phone and stuff, but just try not being on your phone. Try it. You can't say it's, I don't know, bad, cringe to not be on your phone if you've never tried it. So try it out. Try setting some plans, trying some new goal to play the piano, do something, and just see how it goes. See how much more stuff you can get done in a day and see how interesting it can really be. If you like the environment of this video, then you'll probably like this video right here. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Yeah, goodbye. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace. Join the Like Minded Club.